Hello, I'm Chad with Butler Contracting, and today we're on site. We just finished up a covered porch with hand railing and lattice. This was a 5-day job basically. We just started out with the framing, putting the 4x4s up, then the joists, getting everything square and level to height. This one's roughly about 38 inches off the ground up towards the door per customer's request. Then once we do that, we start the decking. We installed the steps. These steps are built out 4 foot wide, up to code. All the railing is up to code, 36 inches off the deck with no more than a 4-inch gap. So each run on the steps has got 2 2x6s, pretty much your standard steps. So all the material used on this deck is all treated lumber per customer's request, from base blocks to ceiling, everything's treated. We like to use the timber locks. That's what the black hardware is. They're more structural. Everything else is in place with deck screws, but the joist hangers, we use a hot dip galvanized nail. Once the decking's done, then we move on to the roof structure. We put the ledger board up on the house first, and then put the header up on the 4x4s, and then tied the two together with the joists, and put the hurricane straps and the Simpson brackets on it, joist hangers. So once we got the rafters in place, then it was ready to be sheeted, and we went with the R-Panel Galvanized Galvalume. Got the closer strips and the flashing to tie in. If you're looking to build a porch or a covered porch or a pergola or something like that, we can accommodate your likes. This one is per customer's likes, so we can change up several things to accommodate whatever you would like.